Good morning. Please take off your hat for the Pledge of Allegiance and put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and liberty and justice for all. Character pledge. 1, 2, 3. Respect, responsibility, and perseverance too. It helps bring out the
Best in me and you. Honesty and being fair helps show others that we really care. We all know what's right. We all know what's good. Today at school,
we'll all do the things we know we should.
any announcements?
Any announcements?
Today is the first day of homeschool,
No. There's something else.
and it's St.
Patrick's Day.
Is there any birthdays? Today? No. Today is St. Patrick's Day, school home day.
Okay.
Let's have a great day.
Room Mommy can go.
Room JJ could go.
Room Dogs can go.
Room Lucy and Rosie could go. That's all.